Hello traders, welcome back to SAM Trading Strategies. In today's video, I'll show you an easy yet powerful binary option strategy using just two moving averages. One is the 30-period simple moving average, and the other is the 10-period exponential moving average. Even if you're a beginner, don't worry, I'll explain everything clearly and simply. Make sure to watch till the end, because I'll demonstrate live trades step by step, so you can fully understand and use this strategy effectively. Before we jump in, here's a quick but important disclaimer. Binary options trading involves risks. You can lose money, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly, only invest money you can afford to lose, and do your own research before placing trades. Also, please support me by hitting the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and click the bell icon. This motivates me to keep bringing valuable strategies and trading tips to help you become a better trader. So here's a brief explanation of these two indicators. 30-period SMA. This indicator calculates the average asset price over the last 30 candles. It's called simple because every candle has equal importance. 10-period EMA. This calculates the average price over the last 10 candles as well, but gives more importance to recent candles. This means EMA reacts quicker to recent market moves. We'll use these indicators to clearly see when the market gives us buying or selling opportunities. Now, let's quickly look at exactly when you should enter trades. Sell trade entry rules. When the red SMA line crosses above the blue EMA line, moving upward, this is your signal for a sell trade. Buy trade entry rules. When the blue EMA line crosses above the red SMA line, moving upward, this is your signal for a buy trade. Important settings. Use the 1-minute chart time frame. Set your trade expiry to exactly 5 minutes. To keep things effective and safe, remember these tips. Avoid trading during high-impact news events. Do not use this strategy during strong trending markets. It works best during normal or lightly trending market conditions. Always pay attention to support and resistance levels before entering any trade. Practice first. Before risking your real money, test this strategy on your demo account to gain confidence and experience. The beauty of this simple approach is you can use it on almost any binary trading platform, whether it's IQ Option, Olymp Trade, PocketOption, or others, and it's effective in both real market and OTC market conditions. Now, let's jump into the charts together. I'll show you step-by-step how to place trades live, clearly explain my thinking behind every entry, and share valuable insights along the way. Watch closely until the end. Each trade example comes with useful tips that can truly improve your skills. All right, traders, according to our strategy, this is a perfect sell trade setup. As you can see clearly on the chart, the red SMA line just crossed above the blue EMA line, moving upwards. This is exactly the signal we've been waiting for. So now, I've entered this sell trade with a 5-minute expiry, exactly as our strategy requires. Now comes the most important part, being patient and calmly waiting to see how the trade turns out. Remember, patience is a crucial part of becoming a successful trader. While we're waiting for this trade to finish, let me share a couple of quick tips with you. Always stay calm and stick to your strategy. Don't rush into unnecessary trades. Keep practicing this setup on a demo account until you're fully confident in recognizing good entry signals. Remember, 1 or 2 losing trades don't mean your strategy is bad. Consistency and proper risk management are key. All right, traders. The trade has just closed, and as you can clearly see, our strategy worked perfectly here. We've successfully won this sell trade, demonstrating how effective this simple setup can be. All right, traders. Let's look at another trade example. Here, the blue EMA line clearly crossed above the red SMA line, giving a potential buy signal. So according to our EMA and SMA crossover rules, I've taken a buy trade here. But wait, I took this trade purposely to show you what a bad trade setup looks like, because it's equally important to recognize trades you should avoid. If you observe carefully, you can see that the market right now is in a sideways condition, meaning there is no clear direction. Additionally, there's a strong resistance level very close to our entry point. Both these factors make this trade against our strategy rules. In a situation like this, I strongly recommend not taking the trade. But today, for educational purposes, I've placed this trade intentionally, just to demonstrate clearly what happens when we break the rules. All right, traders, the result is out. And as you can clearly see, our trade ended up losing. This clearly shows why following your trading rules is essential. This loss isn't disappointing. It's a valuable lesson. It reminds us to always be disciplined, avoid uncertain market conditions, and strictly stick to our proven strategy rules. Remember, everyone makes mistakes, especially in the beginning. But what's important is learning from those mistakes and improving over time. Practice consistently. Always respect your rules, and you'll become a better trader every day. All right, traders, according to our strategy, this looks like an excellent buy setup. Let me quickly explain why. The blue EMA line clearly crossed above the red SMA line and is moving upward. Even though there's a resistance level close by, it's not very strong. And importantly, the overall market trend is clearly going upward. This signals a possible continuation of the current trend, which makes this trade setup ideal for our strategy. Because of these reasons, I've confidently entered a buy trade here with a 5-minute expiry. Now, as we wait patiently for the outcome, here's a quick tip for you. Always pay attention to the strength of nearby support and resistance levels. Weak resistance or support levels usually won't strongly affect the trend, but strong levels could reverse the price. Being able to spot the difference between weak and strong levels helps you enter higher quality trades. All right, traders, the result is finally in. As you can see, our analysis was spot on, and this trade turned out to be a clear win. This shows exactly why understanding market direction, along with your strategy rules, significantly improves your chances of successful trades. Okay, traders, according to our simple strategy, this right here is an excellent sell trade setup. As you can clearly see, the red SMA line has just crossed above the blue EMA line and is moving upwards, exactly as our strategy suggests for a sell entry. Because this is a textbook trade according to our rules, I've confidently taken a sell trade with a 5-minute expiry. All right, traders, the trade just closed, and as we can see, our strategy once again worked beautifully. This sell trade was successful, showing us clearly how effective following simple, clear rules can be. Remember, every trade won't always win, but using clear setups like this one increases your odds significantly. Keep practicing this strategy on a demo account to build confidence and skill. The more you practice, the better you'll recognize high-quality trading setups like this one. If you found value in this video and liked this step-by-step explanation, please do me a favor, hit the like button right now. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell icon to never miss our upcoming videos. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments how your experience has been with this strategy. Thank you so much for watching Sam Trading Strategies today. Keep practicing, stay disciplined, and trade responsibly. See you in the next video. Happy trading, everyone.